Hi everybody, today we're going to go over the MiChildSupport website. We've done videos about how important the MiChildSupport website is in the past, where we've kind of talked about some of the features that it has, like how you can calculate support, you can make payments, you can get access to your records 24/7, you can also be able to chat with child support workers across the state of Michigan. So there's tons of great features that exist on the MiChildSupport website. We're not going to dig into all the ones that, like the chat features and the texting features today, but we're going to kind of do a brief walkthrough about how to access information on the MiChildSupport website, some of the features that it has right off the main page, and then we'll do another video later about how to use the public calculator, but we are going to show you how to get there today. So today this will be sort of an intro, what it looks like when you go over to the MiChildSupport webpage, and then we'll dig in later videos to some of the other details that exist there. So here you go. We're looking at the main page here at the MiChildSupport website. So the URL is micase.state.mi.us, but also if you just go into any search program and type in MI Child Support, it'll take you here to the MiChildSupport website. So this is the main page here. So a couple of really helpful things here right off the bat is there is a contact us information up here. If you click that, then that'll give you this my login help desk. So if you're having issues with usernames and passwords, you'll be able to go there, and you can also get the information about the MISDU. So if you're just looking for payment information, you'll be able to go there and get that information. You can ask the help desk a question. So again, just going to that contact us, going to find a lot of different information there for you to be able to contact folks at the MiChildSupport website, the help desk, or be able to connect you with MISDU. Right here is the login. So if you've already got an account and you just want to go in and log in, you'll be able to do that there. So right there at the top, some basic information about the page. Down here, there will be announcements. Right now, some really useful announcements is there's a video on what MiChildSupport can do. So highly recommend going and checking out that video because that is going to go through some screenshots and some information about what the MiChildSupport page looks like, and that's put out by the Office of Child Support, who is responsible for the MiChildSupport website. If you have any language needs, there's a link here for language assistance services. So if English is not your first language and you need any assistance, be able to gather that information there. And then here's a video about child support, and that's just a general video about what child support is, what it's for, and that one actually comes from our federal partners. So, but the most part, there are these 5 main areas over here on the right that you're going to click on to get anything going as it relates to the MiChildSupport page. So here I'm going to just walk you through. If you hit the apply button here or sign in button, if you already have a MyLogin account, which you might have for some other state services that you could be getting. So sometimes people have a MyLogin account because they're receiving some form of public assistance like food assistance or Medicaid or something along those lines. And so they may already have a MyLogin account. So if you already have one, then you can just go here and you can already you can click there and you can use your MyLogin account to log in. So this is actually now going to redirect us to the MyLogin page, and then you would put in your user ID and your password to log in. Now, if you didn't have a MyLogin account, then the other option would be that you'd be able to create a MyLogin account. So right here, you're going to be able to create a MyLogin account. It's going to let you know here that basically you're going to be going to another page to set up this MyLogin account. You're going to need to follow all the prompts, and on your MyLogin page, homepage, you want to make sure that MiChildSupport is added. And if you don't see MiChildSupport on your list, you need to click on Request Access for that. Choose MiChildSupport from the list and follow the prompts to complete the process. And then right here, if you're having any questions about how to do this, there's full instructions on how to do it. Highly recommend that you, if it's your first time going through the MyLogin process, that you do go through these step-by-step instructions. There's the Request Access button, Michigan Child Support, and there's the MiChildSupport add-on there. Or you can search for it by typing in Michigan Child Support, and then you need to provide your address, date of birth, and then click Submit. And there's going to be some security questions, and then you'll have some prompts after you click on that. So once again, there's very handy that they have the full instructions right there. If you were to hit continue, then you're going to go through the steps to create your account by putting in some of your basic information here, and then some verification question here, just to make sure that you're not a robot. Okay, so that is one of the things that's really helpful, and there is, like I said, there's those instructions that they have on the site already for you to be able to do that and walk you through it, and highly recommend that you follow along with those. If you wanted to pay child support, if you click that button, it's going to take you to MiSDU.com. So that's where they direct you to if you're going to make payments. We have a video out there already about the Michigan State Disbursement Unit, or MiSDU.com. I recommend you go there to get an idea of all the different things that can happen on the MiSDU website. I'm going to calculate child support. We're going to definitely do a follow-up video on this one where we actually walk you through how to use the MiChildSupport calculator. The great thing about this is this MiChildSupport calculator is the same calculator that friend of the court offices and courts use all across the state of Michigan. We use it within our system, which is called the Michigan Child Support Enforcement System, or MICES, but the formula that's used is exactly the same. So the algorithms, the calculations, all that sort of stuff is the same. So this is a great way to get an idea of what you think support might look like if you are going to go in front of the referee or a judge, or maybe are having a review and modification done by the friend of the court. Also, if you're proceeding on your own and filing motions on your own, this would be where you would go to calculate support for the purposes of going before the court on that. Like I said, we are going to go through this another time. It does take about 30 minutes to create a calculation result. So that's going to be its own video. We're going to spend some time going through that together, and hopefully being able to get some good information out to everybody about the sort of information that you will need to have if you're going to calculate support. So we will come back to that one at a later video. And over here, you'll get some useful links and forms. Okay, this is some basic information about the child support program, quick look at child support, and the child support handbook. If you're interested in the handbook, the Genesee County Friend of the Court has its own handbook that's got Genesee County specific information, and as will be coming out here shortly, the new handbook will have QR codes that'll take you to many of the videos that we have on our YouTube page, and will make it much easier, hopefully, for you to navigate all of the information that's in this handbook, because it is a pretty big handbook. The DHS 1201 is an application for child support, and you submit those to the Office of Child Support. The DHS 842 is if your case has been referred from the MDHHS Public Assistance referral system, and that means your case has been referred to the Office of Child Support to establish an order, but they don't have enough information. So they're going to send, in that situation, they're going to send out an 842 form, the Child Support Response Form, to ask for some more information so that they can move forward. The change of personal information form is a form that we've done a video on. It's a really important form because everyone who has a child support case and a friend of the court case is required to keep their address updated with the friend of the court. So this is really, really important because this keeps your address updated. It keeps your, any phone numbers up to date. And now moving forward, what is becoming really important is making sure we have good email addresses as well. I'll link to one of our favorite websites, MichiganLegalHelp.com or .org. If you have any questions on any legal issues and you're trying to get an understanding of them, maybe before you even contact an attorney, or if you are going to try to proceed on a legal issue without an attorney, Michigan Legal Help is a super helpful website to get a better understanding of any type of legal issue. It covers custody, visitation, child support, all that sort of stuff, but it also covers other areas like landlord, tenant, and all those sorts of things. So if you're just trying to understand an area of the law, it's a great website to kind of give you a basic understanding. Here you can also watch a video on what is child support. And again, that's a video that we saw linked up elsewhere. Okay, over here you can see there's some other useful links and forms that they're connecting here. I'm going to take us back to the main page here though, because I like just kind of showing that if you click on these different 5 things, where it will take you. So the partner tools here, SMILE program. SMILE stands for Start Making It Livable for Everyone. It's a really great video that Oakland County Friend of the Court has provided to everyone in the state of Michigan. And right here you can click on this and then you can view that SMILE video. In the video, the real goal of the video is to help parents understand the role that divorce and separation and blended families, the impact that can have on children, and the steps that can be taken by parents to put children first as they go through this process. So incredibly valuable information there on the video, and big thank you and shout out to Oakland County Friend of the Court for making that available. So again, I'm just going back to those partner tools again. If you're an employer, or if your employer is having issues and you have a case and your employer is unsure what to do, you can show them that there's employer tools on the MiChildSupport website. There's also a conception calculator here. So if you're trying to determine the conception date of your child, which is going to be something that might be necessary if you're going through a case and trying to determine when the child was conceived based on their birth date, then you can go here and go use the conception calculator. And again, looking over here on the side, you can see that you can make your way back to the SMILE program here, or here. You can update your personal information here, or you can go find that change in personal information form. You can click here for making a payment, or that'll take you back, which will take you to the MISDU link. The useful links and forms is another place we've already been. And over here, one of the other things, FAQs, always valuable. So through here, you can kind of get some really good information about all sorts of stuff as it relates to questions that are frequently asked. So like, for example, what do I need to create a MyLogin account? Okay, and then it's going to provide you the information that you're going to need to have that MyLogin account. Okay, and here's an example of what MyLogin also allows you to use is for websites like Department of Natural Resources, Unemployment Insurance, the rest of MDHHS, which could include public assistance or those sorts of things, MyBridges, and more. So again, if you've already got one of those MyLogin accounts for one of these different reasons, you just need to add MiChildSupport as one of the features. But if you don't have a MyLogin account, you'll get to create that MyLogin account from scratch, and then you'll be able to, if you ever need any of these other resources, you'll be able to connect those to that one MyLogin account. So again, that's just our basic overview of the My Child Support website. Once you log into My Child Support, there's a whole bunch of other features that become available, and there's a lot of different things that can be done inside there. I recommend going here, and there's a video explaining all the things that My Child Support can do. So there you go. You can go to My Child Support Basics and watch that video there. Or there's a video explaining my login and My Child Support, which is also super valuable as well. So lots of, they've got a couple of good videos here for you as well on the My Child Support website. So as you're navigating it, and if you're having questions, and you like watching videos to kind of learn things, then there's a couple of videos there that are created by the Michigan Child Support team that will be very helpful for helping you walk through that. So once again, that's the My Child Support website in a nutshell. That's the basic level stuff. We will do another video on calculating child support and using the public child support calculator here shortly, so please come back and join us for that. If you do have questions as you're trying to navigate the My Child Support webpage, you can always click this Contact Us button, and you'll be able to get some information here for technical issues, those sorts of things, and the team at My Child Support will help you. But also, we here at the Genesee County Friend of the Corps, many of us have tried to navigate this screen before and have little tips and tricks that we learned along the way, and we will be happy to share what we have learned as we've helped other families navigate the website. So if at any point you do have questions and you're not able to get your issues resolved using the My Child Support website, feel free to contact us at the Genesee County Friend of the Court. We're here to serve.